Alright, what's up everybody? Shouts out to Mortos82, Ghetto Man 666, and Jesse fucking James, the original 3 I subscribed to. I made this, percolator or diffused waterfall, I don't know what you call it. And, I was telling Mortos about it. I'm gonna hit it up, see if it works, see if I can get a decent video. Let's hold the plug in. Nice, it's only percolates halfway. Nice. Oh. Anyways, it's just got one of those bubble tubes there in the corner that Jesse fucking James uses. Whatever I did with the plug, there it is. This is one of the bubble, and I just cut it off. It plugs the hole. Put it in there, fill it up with water. And it's got diffused all the way down. Well, halfway, whatever. Makes it smoother. And then one of the bubble tube things for my bowl piece. Glass. Stay up. Bye.